You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
Good morning. It's really early, and I am going to get ready and head off to campus soon. But I just wanted to show you this really, really pretty fabric. Believe it or not, I found this at Walmart, and I am going to add, I have a little baby quilt that I made, and I still have to put it in the mail for Emily. And I found this fabric. I'm going to make a pillow that matches. The quilt is little fire trucks and Dalmatians, and I just thought this would look really, really pretty with it. So I only have one class. I do have some meetings to go to, but in between those meetings, I'm hoping I can get some of the sewing done. So we'll see. Tally-ho. I did some film footage of this the other day. This is the little pouch that I showed you. I got the kit from, it's a directions from Quilt and More when we did the little tour of that little quilting shop. And I had this on my list of things I wanted to make, but it was just trying to squeeze in the time to do this. But I finally did it, and this is so easy. It was such an easy thing to do, except I think I'm going to take it apart because I wanted this fabric to be on the outside and this to be on the inside. So I don't think it'll be that difficult to take it apart. I really like how it turned out. It's got a nice big pocket there, and then it's said to do, which I did, you do a little side pocket here and one on this side, and you have some storage in here as well as in here. I rounded off the corners like the directions said, and I just really like this a lot, and I think I might end up making a larger size one so that I can put my iPad in here and then just have some pens and maybe a little tablet or something. So this is, like I said, it's so easy to make, but I think I am going to take it apart. It does have Velcro, and let me see if I can grab. I was in a hurry to get this done, so I didn't add the Velcro for the closure, so I want to put that on. And then I wanted to kind of spruce up the front. So this is a button that I bought at the Waynesburg Sheep and Wool Festival. There's a woman there, and she does pottery, and she was making these buttons. So I was going to add the button, which I thought would be cute. If I chose this fabric, I thought that button would be nice. But if which I am gonna reverse it, I just don't think I think this button's too pretty to be overshadowed by this busy fabric. So I'll find an antique button to add. But yeah, I can't wait to get this done. And I'm going to use this for like knitting notions and things like that. So hopefully I'll be able to get this done today. I do have a lot of schoolwork I have to get done, but maybe in between I'll try to finish this up. Okay, bye for now.
Start stabilizing on now. What's the second button at the bottom do? Nothing?
No, that's just what your foot. Make it go again.
Make it go.
Hey, you could take Pence's job. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.